Welcome! In front of me I have MICHAEL Kors Access Grayson, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the middle button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system, and tap on it, of course. Then scroll down, find the option called about, and select it. Here, scroll down and find the serial number. And under the serial number, you will see a bunch of numbers, which is basically the serial number of this device. And once you're done checking, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.